good girl. Hi, baby.
Considered to be nearly as good as the yellow-naped, with a smaller tendency to nip. Closely following the yellow-naped, with an excellent ability to mimic human voices and love for song.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
This pretty little black bird has an amazing capacity for mimicking human voices with a varied range of pitch and tonality. They love to sing and are highly intelligent, with an uncanny ability to mimic human speech and cadence.
Count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
The African gray is widely considered to be the smartest of the talking birds and one of the most intelligent in the animal kingdom overall. Some experts say they approach the ability to speak and relate concepts on the level of a human toddler. Even at the highest level of ability, there are still some birds that will not talk, no matter what you do or how early you train. Just as there are quiet, shy people, there are quiet and shy birds. And, just as with people, some birds are smarter than others.
Why not?